So using sales tracking, I can easily see which of my ClickBanking partner, gave me how many sales. So I can see that this partner gave me around 200 clicks, and I can see that out of those clicks, I made $2. $2 sales in total. So one sale was $1, another one was 1.6. And there are some better results. This guy gave me 200 clicks and also one sale of $12. Yeah, sometimes this doesn't really match the actual result because I am using other sale pixels to track engagement. So it's a bit a mess, but still I can get my sales recorded and I can, easily figure out where those sales came from. So this gave me, out of 543 clicks, I got 10 sales, and one of those sales was really juicy. This one is also pretty good, and other was just a basically CPA, sales. And there are more juicy ones. I believe this one was pretty bad. Yeah, it's just CPA sales, but still, it's a sale is a sale. And this guy gave me, out of 300 clicks, gave me 11 sales. And yeah, there was $88 sale and 12.42 sale. Yeah, that's pretty decent. This one gave me 10 sales out of 400 clicks. All of them were the basically exact same. And this one gave me 5 sales, also CPA sales. Yeah, that's pretty much why I like, having all this tracking set up, so I can see everything I need to know. I get all the information about a sale, where it came from, which network. This is CN. This means that it's cash network, and this is another one, and just everything I need to see without ever leaving my Qliker dashboard, basically.